Welcome back to the Lula Talk YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through a complete, step-by-step Python program for creating, saving, and reading student information using a CSV file in a Jupyter Notebook. Let's get started. A simple Python program that you can use in a Jupyter Notebook to list student information and save it as a CSV file. This program will create a list of student records, display them, and then save the records to a CSV file. Step-by-step Python program. Create a list of student information. Display the information. Save the information to a CSV file. Reads the information back from the CSV file and displays it. Provides a complete workflow for creating, saving, and reading student information using a CSV file in a Jupyter Notebook.